We have the very real potential for a double hookup here because they are just slamming. That one's hitting already. Ooh, there we go. Oh, got off. Wait. No, still there. Not fighting. Oh my God, guys. Got a fish. My other line is hitting. Another nice fish. This one's hitting. There we go. Back-to-back fish. Oh, damn. This is hot fishing. This is hot fishing. Holy shit. Look at that, guys. That was double hookup. This one's a little small. Oh, actually he's... Oh! Got him. Got him. Double hookup.